Want to find NFL clips you can use for your edits? In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can find them. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to youtube.com, or you can open the YouTube app on your device. Now, make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the search bar, and here you want to search for NFL highlights, then tap on that. You can also search for a specific game, player, or week you're looking for. Tap on these three dots and then tap on the search filters option. You can use the filters over here to narrow results such as by upload date for fresher clips. Now you can also check the official NFL YouTube channel for high quality content such as highlights and recap videos. You can also explore NFL's official TikTok and Instagram for short form clips perfect for edits. For licensed footage, you want to visit nfl.com/videos or NFL's media partners like ESPN or Fox Sports. Just remember to follow fair use rules and respect copyright when editing. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.